far we have discussed addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. In this video, we will discuss the multiplication of algebraic expression. So all of you know the algebraic expressions are various types like monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. So we will discuss the multiplication one by one. So first, multiplication of two monomials. When we multiply two monomials like this, let 4 multiplied with x. 4 is a monomial, x is a monomial. So the answer is 4x. Then if we multiply 2x multiplied with 3y. 2x is a monomial having one term. Here x is the algebraic factor and 2 is the coefficient. Here 3 is the coefficient and y is the algebraic factor. So we have to multiply the coefficient with coefficient and algebraic factor with algebraic factor. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 3, x multiplied with y. So the answer is 6xy. Then 5x multiplied with minus 8y square. So this is a monomial having coefficient 5 and algebraic factor x. Here coefficient is minus 8 and algebraic factor is y square. So first we have to multiply coefficient with coefficient. So 5 multiplied with minus 8, then x y square. X is multiplied with y square. So answer is minus 40 xy square. So in this way we will multiply two monomials. Example, we have discussed the multiplication of two monomials. Here we will discuss multiplication of 3 or more monomials. So take an example. Let we have to multiply 2x multiplied with 4y multiplied with 5z. So first we have to multiply the coefficients, then we have to multiply the algebraic factors. So this is equal to 2 multiplied 4 multiplied by 5, then x multiplied with y multiplied with z. So the answer is 2 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 5. This is 40 x, y, z. Then another example, let 5a multiplied with minus 2b square multiplied with 3c. So first we have to multiply the coefficients. 5 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with 3. Then the algebraic factors, a multiplied with b square or b multiplied by b, you can write b square multiplied with c. So this is equal to minus 30 a b square c. So let us take another example. 5xy multiplied with 3x square yz multiplied with 9xy square. Let us take these three monomials. We have to multiply this. So first I have to multiply the coefficients. 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 9. Then x multiplied with y multiplied with, so you have to factorize this. So this is x multiplied with x multiplied with y multiplied with z. Then this is x multiplied with y multiplied with y. Then this 5 multiplied with 3, 15, then 135. How many the power of x should be added? X 1, 2, 3, 4. So x to the power 4. Then y to the power 4. Then z, only z. So answer is 135 x to the power 4, y to the power 4, z. So under this category, multiplication of 3 or more monomial, first we have to complete this table. Complete the table for area of a rectangle. These are the lengths of the rectangle and these are the breadth of the rectangle. Then we have to find the area. We know the formula for area of a rectangle, that is length multiplied with breadth. So here in this column we have to multiply length and breadth, and we have to write the answer. So 3x multiplied with 5y. So this is equal to 3 multiplied with 5xy. This is equal to 15xy. So 15xy is the area of this rectangle having length 3x and breadth 5y. So then 9y multiplied with 4y square. So this is equal to 9 multiplied with 4, then y multiplied with y square. So this is equal to 36y cube. Then 4ab multiplied with 5bc. So this is equal to 4 into 5 multiplied with AB multiplied with BC. So this is equal to 20AB square C. So this is equal to 2L square M multiplied with 3LM square. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with L square M multiplied with LM square. So this is equal to 6 L cube M cube. So these are the area of the respective rectangles having length and breadth. Let us solve another example here. The question is, complete the table for volume of a rectangular box. So rectangular box is the shape of a cuboid. We know that the volume of a rectangular box is length multiplied with breadth multiplied with height. So these are the length, breadth and height of 3 rectangular boxes. We have to find the volume. So here length, breadth and height are 2x, 3by and 5cz. So volume is, we have to multiply. So 2ax multiplied with 3by multiplied with 5cz. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 5. Then ax multiplied with by multiplied with cz. So this is equal to, this is 30. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So this is the volume of first rectangular box. Then in the second rectangular box, length, breadth and height are like this. So we have to find the volume. So this is equal to m square n multiplied with n square p multiplied with p square n. So here no 1 is coefficient of all the monomials. So we have to multiply only the algebraic factors. So m square, m square. Here 1 m to the power 1, so m cube. Then n square, here n to the power 1, so n cube. Then p cube. So the volume is n cube, p cube. Then in the third rectangular box, the length, breadth and height are 2q, 4q square and 8q cube. So we have to find the volume. So this is equal to 2q multiplied with 4q square multiplied with 8q cube. So this is equal to 2 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 8 q multiplied with q square multiplied with q cube. So this is equal to 64. Then q, all the powers should be added. So that is q to the power 6. So this is the volume of third rectangular boxes. So in this session, we learn how to multiply the monomials with monomials. Either 2 monomials or 3 or more monomials with each other. So in this way, you will be able to solve some more problems by applying these methods.